What's up, guys? Back again with another video. I got a lot of things I gotta tell you guys what happened to my truck again. But I'm at Kiko's house about to fix his truck. I guess his diff is slipping or something like that. But let's get it. There he is. My boy Kiko's truck. It's a little bit dirty because he's been working on it. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna fix his blocks because like Altacuache wants to burn out. You know, he wants to burn out, and his blocks moved and stuff like that. So we're gonna relocate him, or actually just move him. Look at that. Shake my head. Shout out to Notorious. His Instagram, follow him. Recipes lost. Right now, Kiko's about to show us how he jacks his truck. Ahorita que se caiga, güey.
Gotta get a little bit of clearance off of it, you know. Throw my jack stand down here. Wait.
That moment when you're too low, bro, that's the same thing that happened to me when my tires were hella flat. I didn't know how to pick them up. Pick up the truck. That's how you know you're low, when you're still tucking. Shit. I know this shit to my truck. I got a story to tell you guys about that next video, or probably later on this video. Fuck Westside PD, bruh. Right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna drop the diff. But I don't know what the hell Kiko doing right now. Trying to figure out a way not to drop his diff. But we're gonna drop it to fix the blocks. Right now he's taking off his wheels. Hey, did you have to relocate your shocks on? Yeah, huh?
No, they still have the other one. How they come on the truck.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna relocate them. So you gotta get some meaty tires. You gotta be prepared for, you know, shit happen.
Alright, guys, we just finished relocating or just moving the blocks. Now we just gotta bolt those bolts on back to the shocks. But I guess he found a problem, but I don't know what's the problem. Well, Kiko just finished. Sheesh. Right now we couldn't take off the jacks, but Kiko found a way. Hit up Kiko does it all. Right now the only thing he's doing now is just tightening up his shocks. Ya que estamos aquí, dice Kiko que les va a poner estos en su truck, su fog lights. He's the expert, he's saying. I guess he has the plastic that goes in the bottom already, so we don't have to cut the holes. But I don't know, it's up to him. If anybody has the Vortex plastic, bro, tap in, leave it in the comments, or on my Instagram, or on Kiko's Instagram. Look at that one right there. Ahorita lo que vamos a hacer es quitarle los plásticos, los que tienen acá abajo. It has like, I think like 2 bolts on the sides, and some clips. And then guess he has a harness.
20.
I guess has like 20 bolts.
No. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, about 12. It's 6.0 or what? No, it's just a 350 block.
Muy bien, chat. Ya le puso el plástico. He was gonna put the lights, but
The dilemma right now.
yeah, he needs to do like he wants to put HID, but he has to do something with the lights to make them fit. So he's gonna keep it like this for a little bit.
Next step is a horizontal block.
Well, right now we're just chilling in the car. We're gonna go to Popeyes because we got a friend that works there and she's gonna plug it with some food. This is Kiko's interior right here, you feel me?
Hell yeah.
So y'all finna see us at Popeyes. We made it to Popeyes, you know.
Hey, I know you.
And the secret code for the plug is one biscuit. Like I said in the video, and I lost some of my video content for this video, so I couldn't really upload it. But I said, fuck, I'm just gonna upload what I have. But yeah, I'm sorry for the little short video. But the next video, I'll explain what happened to my truck, and I'll add a little bit of videos to what I recorded when I took it out, stuff like that. So yeah, peace out, guys. It's been the Fonzo Vlogs here. Thank you guys for all the support. You know, keep shouting me out, keep supporting. I really appreciate it. The one coming up, a YouTuber here in Sac. So yep, let's get it.